Orangutans. Solitary creatures. Orangutans are known for being largely solitary animals, with males and females coming together only for mating. Great apes. They are one of the 4 recognized great ape species, along with humans, gorillas, and chimpanzees. Red and Bornean. There are 2 species of orangutans, the Bornean orangutan and the Sumatran orangutan. Bornean orangutans are known for their reddish fur. Arboreal lifestyle. Orangutans are adapted for a life in the trees and are considered the largest arboreal animals on Earth. Frugivores. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, but they also eat leaves, bark, and insects. Slow reproduction. Orangutans have one of the slowest reproductive rates of any mammal, with a female typically giving birth only once every 6-8 years. Endangered status. Both species of orangutans are critically endangered due to habitat destruction, primarily from logging and palm oil plantations. Intelligence. They are highly intelligent and have been known to use tools, such as leaves for shelter and sticks to extract insects. Longevity. Orangutans can live up to 45 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. Cultural variation. Different populations of orangutans have been observed with unique cultural behaviors, such as variations in tool use.